Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials: system requirements, internet access, and your Microsoft account or product key. Sign into Windows or Mac OS with the account tied to Office. This links license entitlement. If you have a product key, keep it visible. Once done, open any Office app and choose Sign In or Enter Product Key. This starts the activation handshake with Microsoft servers, so make sure your connection is stable and you're using the correct account. You now proceed inside an Office app. Select File, then Account, and look for activation or product information. Choose Sign In and enter the Microsoft account linked to your purchase. This authenticates subscriptions and perpetual licenses. If prompted for a product key, type it exactly, including dashes, and click Activate. Activation can take a few moments because Office verifies entitlement and installs license files. If you're on a work or school account, choose Work or School and follow organization prompts. You finish by confirming activation on the account page. Look for product activated or your subscription name. If activation fails, run Quick Repair or Online Repair in Programs and Features. This restores corrupted license files. Make sure you sign out and sign back into Office to refresh tokens. Clearing cached credentials often helps. If problems persist, compare the email on account. Microsoft.com to the one used for purchase, and then contact Microsoft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.